Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice algebraic problem that is x times x times x times x all over x plus x plus x plus x that is equal to 16. So we have to find all possible values of x here. Now starting our solution, as we see that here the exponent of x is 1, similarly 1 and 1, and here it is also 1. So we just write x to the power 1 times x to the power 1 times x to the power 1 and x to the power 1 all over. Here we have x plus x plus x plus x. We just add the coefficient of these x, so 1 2 3 and 4, so it will be 4x that is equal to 16. Now our next step is here. As we know that by exponential law, if we have a to the power m times a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. So here it will be x to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 all over 4 to the power x is equal to 16. Now x to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 4 all over that 4 times x that is equal to 16. So now here we have that this x is actually here it is power 1, so x to the power 4 over x to the power 1 times this 4 can be written as 1 over 4. So now if we just cancel out this x with this 4, then we get x cubed that is equal to 16. So now here x cubed divided by 4 is equal to 16. So multiplying by 4 on both hand side, 4 times x cubed divided by 4 is equal to 4 times 16. So cancelling this 4 with 4, we get x cubed is equal to 16 times 4 is 64. Now if we just shift this 64, then we get x cubed minus 64 is equal to 0. Now here x cubed minus 64 is written as x cubed minus 64 is 4 cubed is equal to 0. Now we are going to use algebraic identity. If we have a minus b, which is a cubed minus b cubed, it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So applying this identity here, then we get x cubed minus 4 cubed will be x minus 4 times x squared minus 4 times x and plus 4 squared is equal to 0. So x minus 4 times x squared minus 4x and 4 squared is 16 is equal to 0. So here we have x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x squared minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. So from first equation, shifting minus 4, we get x is equal to 4. So let's say it is our x1. So we get the value of x1, which is real value, that is x1 is equal to 4. Now solving this one, as it is quadratic equation, so we have to solve this by using quadratic formula. For this purpose, we are going to just write value of a. So a is actually the coefficient of this x squared, which is 1. B is here coefficient of x, which is minus 4, and c is constant, that is plus 16. Now using quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Now applying the values of a, b and c, then we get x is equal to minus value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b squared means minus 4 whole squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 16 all over 2 times a is 1. Now x is equal to minus times minus is plus 4 plus minus square root of 4 squared minus 4 squared is actually minus will be positive here, so 4 squared is 16 and minus 16 times 4 is equal to 64. Now x is equal to, here all over 2 times 1 is 2, so x is equal to 4 plus minus, if we just write here that here 16 minus 64 we get 48, so here we have minus 48 all over 2. Hence 4 plus minus this 48 can also be written as that square root of 48 times this minus 1 is square root of minus 1 all over 2. Now x is equal to 4 plus minus 48 is actually 16 times 3 square root. Here minus 1 square root is equal to I all over 2. Here we have 4 plus minus square root of 16 times square root of 3 I all over 2. So our next step is x is equal to, here 4 plus minus square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 3 I all over 2. So if we taking 2 is common, then we have 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3 I all over 2, cancelling 2 with 2. So we have value of x, that is x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 I. So it is our value of x2 and x3. Now it is our final answer. So we have to write here our final result, that is here we have our answer is x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to, that is 2 plus 2I square root of 3. Similarly x3 is 2 minus 2I square root of 3. So we have three possible values of x here. Now checking our entire solution step by step. I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.